Ampelmann is setting the standard in safety. We do this offshore, but noticeably, we're employing the same high standards in our production facility onshore too. You're in one of those now. Welcome to the Submarine Yard, a historic place within the RDM yard in Rotterdam. This video will demonstrate that safety has always been key in this facility since it was opened in 1929. Please pay attention and learn how safety is at the heart of everything we do. Our main goal is that everybody returns home safely every day. Follow road safety rules and drive responsibly. Whilst driving, always wear your seatbelt. Only hands-free calling is permitted, and of course, no texting. Reverse parking is one of the Ampelmann policies at all locations. Smoking is not allowed inside the production hall. Food and drinks are also not allowed inside the production hall. Only water bottles are permitted. Never work under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Always use the appropriate personal protective equipment. When you're entering the production hall, wearing a helmet and safety shoes is mandatory for everyone, as the entire production floor is a PPE zone. If one of our systems is under pressure, safety glasses are mandatory. An Ampelmann employer will tell you when to put on your glasses. For visitors, a blue safety helmet and blue jacket are mandatory. They must be accompanied by an Ampelmann employee. Workers are obliged to wear a high visibility coverall or orange jacket and PPE that matches their job. Pay attention. Keep your eyes and ears open around, above and below you, and look out for each other. Stop. Intervene if you observe an unsafe act or condition. If you're alerted by a colleague, thank them. Keep yourself and others out of the line of fire. Only walk on the marked walking areas. No working or walking under a suspended load. If a buzzer sounds, the overhead crane will be in operation, so pay attention. Assess risks and obtain authorization before starting work. Ask yourself, what's the worst thing that can happen? For example, tripping hazards. Fence off your working area properly. Before every task, have a toolbox meeting. Use a checklist and manage the risks of your job. Discuss the plan, divide the actions and discuss the required PPE. Make sure you have an approval from your supervisor or manager. Do not carry out a task unless you are trained and competent. When a job or task is executed for the first time, this is never done alone. Share your information, communicate properly, and if you're unsure, do not act. Ask. Verify isolation and zero energy before work begins. Use fall protection when working at height above 1.8 meters. Always keep the workplace clean. Dispose of waste in the correct manner. Use the designated waste bins. In case of an emergency, remain calm and ask an Ampelmann employee for help. In case of fire, the fire extinguishers are located here. The emergency exits are located here. In case of small personal injuries, first aid kits are located here. The emergency response officers are listed next to the stairs when entering the building and in the production hall. For every incident, near miss or unsafe act, complete an incident report. Also include photos where possible. Thank you for watching this brief safety instruction film. Safety is a shared effort, and together we can accomplish what is most important to us all: returning home safely. Please have a closer look at the golden rules during your visit. You'll find them at several locations in our production facility.